Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos.
Friends, welcome to my channel AspDotNet. Welcome to bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned input group in bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video we have learned now input sizing, and friends, in this video we have learned input groups. So friends, I have already creating a button and using a next page for proper using a class input groups. So friends, first we have classing using an input group prepend, and second class we have to use a input group text. You can see this, we have using a two classes for one div, and second more creating a div and using a two more classes. First friends, we have using a input group append, and second class we have to use the input group text. So friends, this is a 3-4 classes you have to using a input group. So I show you on page. So you have saved this and open the page and refresh and see the result, how it will see on the page. You have to using two classes. So friend, this is a group and click. So friend, you can see this, it's the text and we have to write a username, and this is the email address for to write. So when this is a input group, we have to use two classes, 2 or 3 more classes to have to use creating input groups. So friend, first append and second is text. For using main classes friends, append, prepend, input group prepend, and input group text and input group append. So friends, this is 3-4 classes for using input groups. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video friends, please like and subscribe with videos update, press the bell icon for more information, like my Facebook page and follow on Instagram and Twitter. Friends, if you have any query friends, you can ask in comment or email, and friends, visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com. Thank you for watching videos.